tu in class ahem concept sum khat na bol kin tin Zania question number 21 pen chu the difference between cost price and selling price of an article is rupees 360 ti pen chu achum jang ana bol te na ami la yon chu na if the profit is 20% in profit to 20% hi ala chun 20 to fractional convert na la chun 20 divided by 100 0 cancel 2 1 is 2 2 5 out there 1 by 5 cho na ala the cost price chi holding a 1 to profit ta cho ala hin selling price to profit is to cost price profit plus le 6 ta cho ila hi cost price le selling price hi a difference hi 360 ti cho question a profit om ja to selling price le ni ti na cho selling price minus cost price equal to 360 selling price was 6 cho cost price is 5 rupees 360 so like 1 in na rupees 360 ti na cho na a question in the selling price is the selling price digit unit has 6 1 unit na to 360 and 6 unit na to 6010 6 6 are 36 3 in hand 6 3 are 18 19 20 21 2160 answer option number D hit ajo ai tu hin profit the loss is on CP hi ya question in to ai tricky dan cho profit ai la wala loss hi on SP selling price a na profit to selling price a na count ti hi cha hi question number 27 as relation profit to 20% to to na profit to 20% on CP level 20% on SP ti ya hi SP min pha to SP cost price ko na ji or SP ko ta so profit ya chung a profit ta so na cost price to profit on pha la cost price ne ji to 5 minus 1 to have 4 na still a chung question actual profit ti ya so actual profit to profit by CP into 100 in long na profit to 1 is another 1 by CP at 4 1 by 4 into 100 to get 25% option number A change sorry die banda we if a person calculates his loss person on selling price and according to him his loss is 37.5%. Loss to 37.5% on selling price na 37.5% to value to 37,375 by 1,000 to cut out not so 5 6 are 35 7 are 35 5 are 25 and 5 1 is 5 5 are 25 5 3 are 15 5 are 3 by 8 ta cho na chỉ nào vậy kinh thế nào chứ nào 3 by 8 thì là chun 3 by 8 chú chỉ ba hi đi mà chú selling price chỉ ba hi loss là chú loss ta loss on par the cost price le ni ta cha and cost price to pt ho ham ta le selling price plus loss mun ta cha na 8 9 10 11 cost price le ta cha selling price sa chỉ là chú loss is 3 na so la chung question in pcm find his actual loss percent ya chu loss percent holding on le a formula to loss by cp into 100 cha na loss could not lose 1 to 3 divided by CP 11 into 100 300 divided by 11%. Option number D is the right answer right there. Okay, 20% to 20% to fractional impact on 1 by 5 here. on SP thì ra chú chỉ SP ding spy on ding loss ding chỉ phát hiện loss phát hiện cost price ding gì chứ là cost price of 5 plus 1 to 6 ding alaya hi SP ngan nei la SP git ne som git sa git ne ka tina na so 5 to chun ni ki ba sa ni om 800 ta ala 6 to ne ki ba 6 sa chu ya tam ati chu question ai chu question cost price no lo ha chu cost price ko ngai lo cho na ale 800 divided by 5 into 600 ta so ale chu chen sa ya tam ti ale 5 1 is 5 ai ala chen 30 ta 160 tao chứ 160 into 6 na bola la chun 6 1 6 thou 6 3 in hand 606 960 tao chu answer chu na cost price ba chu 960 ala chun a question he vela chun ka in 25% tu ngai zo du he to he da ngai zo du ham a do chu sumja na mo cost price chu 960 100 by 100 ko di ka ti chu na le ale basic mo mo nga na 25% tu nga zu de ti ala chuna to nga ya chu chung lam selling price la chung focus de to nga ya chu last di profit ni ya chu china bola le cash na le 1200 na mo de ha ya zo kam mo ta le this question ale 39 zo le 40 so a mine hin try it na 40 na bola tin tun type chum khat 42 akipat question based on profit obtained is x time the loss incurred so khali ki zo in din na to 13400 ai ki zo cho changa ki zo in din le profit he profit na profit person so cost price te cha pa na cha ki zo na selling price te ale profit ki profit pa cho chun is equal to the amount of loss ki pa he cost price pa is zo due loss maintain the chu 11600 is one loss na pa ke bangai te cost price khala maintain chang is ale chang selling price cho na chang is ale profit person ki pa to chun changa is na loss pa so ke bang di chun natin ni so here are chun what will be the profit if it is sold at 14,750 sold for 14,750 still a chun man sa ya hi cha hi cost price so selling cost price so neu ta so na selling price minus profit person is equal to cost price Martin here ke bangi ti ja chu profit person the loss person ke bangi ti ja chu x ai x kala the na ma le 1 wana kala the na ale equal to la selling price ya na a loss part le hin cost price le ji ya selling price plus loss person na profit person loss person na loss person so ne de ale selling price ya hamot ale 13400 minus ale ama chu 1 la sang win x la le hetin di win x la ta ve cost price ta cho chu na ale chiang he cost price cho chipa da chi ki bang ale chun sten hi ki bang ti na cho na mathematics sa chu ale selling price plus x person ki bang ti na cho cha ai simplification hai ding ha cho ama ti ni minus ta chu ei chu number compounding variable com ya chu 2x ni ta chu ale 134 134 minus 116 and half 4 minus 6 to 8 ale chi 2 8 0 0 0 6 la 4 la 14 la 6 la 8 cho hi chi 11 ta ala 800 ta na ale x to ti horu tam ale 2 12 minus 11 to 1 okay x2 290 okay 900 na x value is 900 ta cha pa cost price ho ta so cost price pham selling price minus c on profit percentage x ala ola wa na x is out na so x is out ale selling cost price should be ho tam ti ale selling price minus x is 900 na the selling price is 13400 minus 900 so ka bola te 13400 minus 900 bola 0 ni ta bola chi 14 la 5 ta chi 2 ta chi cost price of 12500 ta so cost price here 12500 hi ala chun question is what will be the profit if it is sold for atichu selling price ha pi chu changan ni ki zu han lang hale atichu changan ni ki zu la chun atung de mo atichu chai 14000 na 12000 cost price 12000 kita selling price of 14000 kita so there is a profit because SP is bigger now so 0 la is 0 profit hold okay 5 la is 5 7 la 5 la $2 4 la $2 profit here have 2200 ta so question in 22 okay free profit ta na profit is 2200 here chun answer chu pila 00 ka tin ya 5 la 0 5 na 2250 chu answer the option number D chu hong he ta 42 ya to I bole 43 bole ta so the profit earned by selling an article for 832 cost price kiti khat maintain selling price kiti khat maintain 832 azu chuna alle is equal to the loss incurred when article is sold for rupees 448 448 na azu on hin loss to mai lang profit hiji cost price chapa hi aman ke lo azu to ngin 832 a ga zu le tung ta profit person ta na chapa chu aga zu ke changa zu le hin hung mang ta loss person ta hicha profit the loss pa chu equal is equal to the loss incurred so eke bangi sta bangi pha la chun x sala ke wa jong le one wala la ke le 2 ti jing na matin difference la de jing sta wa na ale to chu 2 idea concept me ho nga he o ya fly la ala chun 4 ale 2 ta 12 la 4 la do ke na le I ki ta na 12 la 8 la do ale 4 ki ta 12 la 8 4 la do 8 okay mana chula hi chi 7 ta 7 la chu 4 la do ale 4 5 6 7 300 ta 1 unit nas 2 1 is 2 219 2 to 4 1 unit nas 192 ta so the chun cost price to selling price minus ina mane cost price ordering ale cost price pe ong nga hai selling price plus loss percentage hai lo na ane 1 na la 192 hung ta so na selling price 448 ni ala chun plus loss that hamo 192 ila so cost price ta 8 plus 2 2 10 1 in hand 9 plus 4 2 14 1 hand much na 4 plus 1 2 5 6 6 4 also cost price ta so question him what will be the selling price of the table article if it is sold at 10% profit 10% profit to nga jok ni tele selling price holi ya selling price to to wa la chun ama ji to ding 100 by 100 ko ding ka ti chuna ala cha cho selling price to chung lam ha chung lam bo bo di profit ya cho 10 ka plus na 0 khat la 0 khat ke sal 0 khat la 0 khat ke sal 0 0 0 0 ke sal 64 into 11 chun bo ta te 64 into 11 1 4 is 4 166 1 4 is 4 166 plus 704 option number option a zau lo no option a zau lo na 43 gì nữa 10% profit 10% loss ở trên đàn này cái này loss ở trên là chấm 100 là ở trên minus là chấm 90 nè rồi cancel lại 9 for 36 3 in hand 96 are 54 55 56 57 576 sold an article for rupees 455 at a loss. If he sell it for 490 he would have gained the amount 4 times the loss. At what price it should be sell? He sell the article to gain 25. Some people sold an article for 450 at a loss. What's the cost price? Azul lên mà he 455 azul lên loss ta. He sell if he sell it for 490 chứ ba he chẳng azul on the loss. Chứ ba he chẳng hay azul lên thì 490. Chẳng là số hàng năm hết he would gain an amount 4 times the loss. Loss of 1 hết again pass 4 times hết, ama 4 times chẳng hạn. Profit pass 4 na. Profit percent. Loss percent, profit percent. Profit percent is 4 times the loss. 4 times into the net. Oh. At what price he should sell the article to gain 25? Okay. So le mate ni khali plus khat minus đi là khát lăng hoa là minus lúc số hoa là plus cái số này 5 ta chứ nè là mà tên này minus sẽ để ngay cái tấm nè là tên là 5 là được là 5 ta chỉ ta ý là 5 là được là 3 ta 35 ta 1 in là 2 7 ta chứ là chân cost price lang apa na horam ni da hot cost price to loss ei phala chun selling price neo zo cost price lin zo selling price plus loss ei det ngai na selling price plus loss so selling price at hamo 455 loss at hamo loss to 7 na ala chun plus ala 2 462 ta chu cost price of 462 hi cha ala ama hen sino bola bola 44 25% gain azu di ti chona 25% gain 462 ko 462 25% to ma zo di la 125 by 100 nang na zo di chona 5 to 10 5 5 are 25 5 to 10 5 0 0 5 5 are 25 5 4 are 20 ala 4 1 is 4 4 1 is 4 okay cái này point khát không mấy thế I'm sorry 570.50 không hình thế 45 46 47 48 cái bộ đầu tiên tôi ai question type cho mai chơi điếu tu hình question đang hòn đào hatin 4 trans na pan thế na question based on number of article in the reality. A person bought some article at the rate of 10 for rupees 11 for rupees 10 article khat he maintain article za chu 11 so ale p price chu 11 chu din som khat pi na cost price of 11 is cost price of article 11 is price is 10 rupees and sold them at the rate of 10 for 11. Selling price of 10 article is 11. Price is 11. So here we have to find out the profit percentage and loss percentage or loss percentage. So first of all we need to balance the article. If the article is same, for example article ni so article ni ka cho endil la chang som ka pi cho article ni ka cho endil la som ni ka pi cho na ni ka cho endil la som ma ka cho endil la som ni ka cho ni ma cho ya ka to na tu ka to cho profit het he cho article ki ba ja cho so article ki ba sa ngai ki ba sa nding a hi sukai tu na 10 hin 11 na 11 into 10 to 110 10 into 11 to 110 article ki bang ta china 10 to lang 10 na multiply din 11 to 11 ta multiply din ala to as cost price with yung tam ti ala 100 ta so selling price of this same article tam ti ala 1 to 1 ta so here we can find out the difference between cost price and selling price here 21% 21 difference selling price is bigger than cost price by 21 so there is a profit portion will be profit by CP into 100 so 100 cancel 21 option number D is the right answer the person bought some article at article price article children hum 36 then as on 189 as also 45 then as on 189 as okay na 36 article sum na ka nan chop pe na so 189 na pi le 35 na ka zo pe na chu ai la wale 30 na ka zo do pe na chu 189 na ko ala chun som thum na gup la chu som thum na zu do wa nga na thok na man na mo ta chu gup ni ne ke ke koi lo chu atung ta chu to a hi article hi sang a hom zo zu do an ha na chun tu profit thei di ya tu chu ma hi 36 ba na hi ja 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 9 na hi lose ta chu na lose percentage article ki ba sa ki tel na it's here 45 are including it's here 36 are including see 45 are including see 36 are including article hum ki bang ta ta te na ale article ki bang ta a price ke leo chung hoi cha lin ni ta cost price a lin ni ta so na cost price a chu ma tin ni ken sai ling la chen hoi cha li ja na lin zo am chu le chen 36 37 38 39 40 41 40 44 45 9 a lin zo cho na cha chu loss percentage chu cost price le pa loss ya na loss percentage so loss to ya 9 by CP ja na 45 into 100 na 95 are 45 5 to 10 5 0 so 20% loss okay tai na ding in 51 na berte ting kho ji a trader bought some orange at 7 for 11 he sold at 2 for 3 changa he chen cho tin som kha pi che changa zo tin chen cho ma zo 14 ta chuna article ki bang ta la ngai tu ten tu ten la ngai he 7 ten tu ne 22 ta sla china che 21 ta na one are difference cost price ka lin je loss percentage holi ti le loss percentage to loss and 1 by CP ha 22 into 100 oh sorry thereby he lost 30 this na question ka simman lo jo thereby he lost 30 ta chang 1 pa so 30 thang ki bang ta cha lose up to 1 unit na ya 30 thang ki bang ding find the number of orange sold orange ya mo ha article chu som le li ya 40 khana chu som tu mina som li ya chu 3 4 12 3 1 is 3 4 4 2 0